Today I'm going to show you how I make stipends. I make money just uploading video and audio content. Very easy. On a website you earn 14 naira per upload, whether it's audio or video content, and make sure they are not lengthy contents are not needed. Maybe 5 seconds to 10 seconds audio and video content are needed. They need viral audio hooks or video memes to make our comedians content or movie contents more attractive. So let me show you now. It's very easy.
So you open your Chrome browser. As you can see, here's my Chrome browser, and now the name of the website is ViralHooks.video. Here you can see ViralHooks.video. Now click on let the website load. So the website just loaded. As you can see, here's the website. So as you can see here is the user dashboard. If you are not a ViralHooks contributor already, here's the dashboard. You can see you can get transitional hooks from here. You can get even video memes from here. You can get even sound bites. Here are the list of the kind of videos you can get from this website. Transitional hooks and memes. Here are videos already uploaded by people like me, and here as you scroll down, you can see here are audio effects already uploaded by people. Here I uploaded this one, aggressive beast rap. Let me play it now. I earned 14 naira for this very upload. So now what you have to do is you have to first of all click here. You have to sign up. As you can see, here is the sign up button. You now click on sign up. It's now loading. So you wait to verify that you are human. So we continue. It's verifying if you are human. So take note, sometimes the verification may take longer than expected, so you just have to apply patience to wait for it to verify we are human. So it's on desktop mode, so the issue persists. So you see what you do if your phone is on desktop mode. You scroll down here, turn off the desktop mode, switch to mobile mode. As you can see now, the website is open. Sign up for full access, 100% free, no credit card required. Have an account, log in instead. As for me, I already have an account, then I will now log in, but I'm trying to show you how you can sign up. Here you input your first name, input your last name here, your username, your email, your profession. You select whether you're a content creator, video editor, or other one. So the thing is, after you've signed up, you have to come to their Telegram group, the Hooks Telegram group. You scroll down here. No, the Telegram group is not here. I'll show you where you see the link to the Telegram group. Let's sign up first. For example, we are signing up. You have to include everything, put in every of your details. For example, let me say Joe is my first name. I'll use scale as my last name. Let me say my username is random email. Professional, I'll just say content creator. Verify you are human. Tick on the box to verify you are human. It's now verifying. Success. Now you click on sign up. Still verifying again. Still verifying. Still verifying. Now scroll down here, you see awesome. Kindly check your email inbox or spam for instructions to complete your registration. So we now have to go and check our email to see the link to complete our registration. So as you can see, I just opened my email. Here's their email message. Email from ViralHooks. You have to open the email, confirm your email. So I've now opened the email. Hi Joe, please confirm your registration on site viralhooks.video. So you now click on this link in blue to complete the registration. I've clicked on the link. The link will expire in 2 hours. So the link will now take me to Chrome. So it's now open. Welcome Joe. As you can see here, our hooks account is ready, but you can't upload now to get paid. You've not yet become a hooks contributor. As you can see here, look at this message. Did you know you can make some money by upgrading your account to contributor account? Proceed to our Telegram group to request an account upgrade. Please note that account upgrade requests are subject to manual review and approval. Eligible users. Eligible countries: Nigeria and Ghana. Users from other countries will not see this message. So you now click here so that it takes us to the Telegram group. Click the Telegram group in blue for it to take us to the Telegram group. You can see here the Telegram group in blue. That's where you click. So let's go to the Telegram group. So you click on the Telegram group in blue so that it can take us to the Telegram group. It will now redirect us to Telegram Hooks contributors. Telegram app is opening. So as you can see here, the Hooks contributors group is open. I will show you what you have to do. So you just have to click on your keyboard. You have to tell them that you are requesting for an account upgrade. They will have to upgrade your account before you will be eligible to earn money. Then you type in requesting for account upgrade. So once you've typed in requesting for an account upgrade, you type in your email address. I used this email address. You type this email address, then you just send it in. I'm not sending because I'm already a hooks user, I'm already a hooks contributor, so I'm not selling anything. That's how you do yours. Then they'll just respond to you and you receive an email that your account has been updated. So let me show you how I did mine so you see everything for yourself. Where I sent the message that I'm requesting for an account upgrade. I'll show you now. I sent them a message in January. So here is it. Requesting for an account upgrade. Joseph@gmail.com. I requested for an account upgrade and my account was upgraded. So that's it. That's how you now receive an email. I'll need to show you the email. Let me show you the email and how the kind of email I received so that you see everything for yourself. So this is my email. I'll now look up for the email from ViralHooks. Here is Hooks. You'll see the email I received when my account was upgraded. So let's look for here's their first email. When I signed up, this was the first email I received. Thank you for signing up with ViralHooks. Your password is so. This was the one I received when my account was upgraded. Your Hooks account has been updated. Hi Kelechi Joseph, your account has been successfully updated. Log into your dashboard to see what's new. Warm regards. So that's when my account was upgraded. I also show you my earnings so far. But that should be in my next video.
Thanks for watching. That's it for now. In my next video, I'll show you how to upload correctly on ViralHooks to earn money. You can earn as much as $50,000, $100,000, $100 based on how you work hard. Let me tell you, your success on ViralHooks is guaranteed only if you follow the rules. My account was once restricted because I didn't follow the rules. I appealed in the group and my account was restored. So see me in your next video and please don't forget to subscribe.